Hello, Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine with your parents. Today, I want to make an art and craft activity with you. I know how much you love doing art and craft activity. So, I am going to show you how to make 8 carton jellyfish. Isn't it cute? Okay children, do you know what is jellyfish? Jellyfish is obo-obo in Malay. They live in the sea. Even though they look cute, but you must never touch one as they might sting. Okay, next, the material that you must prepare are 8 carton, watercolors, paintbrush, ribbons, a pair of scissors, glue or hot glue gun, A4 paper, and marker pen. Okay, let's start our activity. Firstly, you must cut this. Okay, let's cut. You may ask your parents for help, and you have to be careful with the scissors because they are sharp. Then you must cut it nicely like this. Okay, you can choose any of your favorite colors. If you want to make purple color, you have to mix red and blue. So let's do. First, I will put some blue and then some red. After that, you have to mix like this. Then, you have to paint inside. Okay, you have to paint the inside like this. Once it is dry, it will become like this. Okay children, can you see? Alright. Next, I will draw the eyes on the paper like this. Okay. After that, you must cut this eye. Okay, next you have to put some glue over here. Okay, and then you must paste inside the body of your jellyfish. Okay, next another one, put some glue. Just do same like this. So your jellyfish has eyes. Okay, next cut some ribbon about a foot long. Into 4 pieces. So this one teacher already cut this ribbon. Okay, you can see. And then after you already cut, you must paste inside like this one by one. Okay, after that, take another one and put some glue. And then paste inside. Next, okay. Alright, a jellyfish has long and flowy tentacles, so make it neat and beautiful. Alright, it's done. A cute jellyfish. Isn't it lovely? So, if you want to make like this, you can try with your parents at your home. Okay, children. See you again. Bye.